Hey little tinkerers, I hope you're all doing well. So, I'm making this video today to show you how I go about installing a small angled terrace here, a circular one, which we used to lay directly on the ground. And honestly, it was such a hassle at the end of summer to clean the whole spa, which was completely muddy, that this year, we really want to do something neat. So, let me show you step by step how I do it. Alright, let's get started. So, I wanted to show you how I attach the battens to the concrete slabs. So actually, I placed the battens no more than 40 centimeters apart from each other. And once the battens were in place, what I did was I added small risers to the different battens. So I didn't use these risers here, I used rubber risers to make sure that with humidity, they wouldn't warp. And then, I positioned the battens and leveled them. Alright, I tried it one-handed like this, leveling it here, making sure I was perfectly level with the spirit level, really flat, and then I would drill here and here so I could insert a hammer and screw. So here you can see the hammer and screw. It went straight through my wooden batten, the shim, and then it would anchor into the concrete slab. So that's how I did it. I hope that's more or less clear. Well, I'm sorry, I would have preferred to film it. But unfortunately, no luck, it didn't work out, it happens. And now, what we have left to do is protect the wooden joists with a roll of self-adhesive tar, so that we can protect the joists and prevent them from rotting over time. Then all that's left is to lay the decking boards on top, and after that, we'll be all set. Hey, I've got a curious one here, look. Alright then, little handyman, listen, at the end of the day we've just finished the square of our deck here. So here you can see, we've put in stainless steel screws with Torx heads, and honestly, it's holding up pretty well. I think it's going to be more than enough to support the hot tub. So tomorrow, there's a pretty crucial task. We're going to have to draw the circle here, because like I said at the beginning of the video, what I want is to make a wooden deck, but with a rounded shape. That'll break up the corner of the deck here, and I think it'll look pretty cool. So there you go. As for the budget, we're looking at around 220 euros, something like that. Well, we'll see. It needs to last at least 5 or 6 years, so I think it'll work out. Alright, we'll pick this up again tomorrow, little DIYers. See you later! So now, what I'm going to do is measure to find out where the center of my hot tub's diameter is, and around it I want about 45 to 50 centimeters so I can walk around the hot tub and also put the hot tub pump behind it. So the hot tub is 165 centimeters. Divided by 2, that gives us 92.5 centimeters. So basically, I need 92.5 here and then 92.5 at the spot where I have my mark. I'm going to put in a screw, and then I'll make a hole here in my batten, make another hole here where I'll wedge my pencil, and then all I have to do is draw a line to mark out the perimeter. Alright, let's go. Well done, Dowdy, that was an absolutely outstanding effort. Your dedication and hard work truly paid off, and we are all incredibly proud of your remarkable achievement. You've demonstrated exceptional skill and perseverance, making this a truly memorable success. Let's carefully take this off, and there you have it. A perfectly designed little wooden deck for the relaxing hot tub, providing a wonderful and comfortable space.
Yeah, goodbye to the hassle of cleaning.